At the height of the strike at Makerere University, it's reported that staff were ordered to go back to work or face other serious administrative risks. The chairman to council, Dr. Charles Etienne, also reportedly ordered staff members to hand over all university property minutes after he had announced the closure. Now, close to 2 weeks after the university closed, there is growing fear that some staff, especially those who flamed the strike, could lose their jobs. An associate professor of law at Makerere University, Jean Barya, today told lecturers that any unfair dismissals could lead to serious legal implications.
There is a right to a fair hearing before termination. There is a right to notice, depending upon how long you have worked, and a right or the dues that each employee is entitled to. Those who contribute to NSSF, they would be entitled on qualification to their NSSF funds. The others are entitled to what we call an in-house retirement benefit scheme, which works as a pension. They are also entitled to the deposit administration plan fund from National Insurance Corporation, which has been one of the things that we have been fighting for. All these would become due on termination.
Members were more scared of what would happen in case they are dismissed, they get summons, this and that. But the presentation by Professor Jean Barya has already addressed all those fears.
This comes a few days after the Vice-Chancellor, Professor Barya, assured staff that such decision had not been reached. Staff are now warning that if their salaries for this month are not paid, then they would take the university to court. Staff have been advised to approach leaders of their associations for legal advice in case of any threats.
I would like to appeal to the University Council and the government that they should handle the issue of Makerere very carefully, because any move that further antagonizes all members of staff will not be good for this country. Therefore, this matter should be handled in a calm and disciplined manner rather than in a very angry and uncoordinated manner. Otherwise,
Professor Jean Barya was delivering a lecture on labor rights here in Kampala. Isabel Nakiria, NTV.